So this is my trading platform that I trade on. It's Sterling Trader Co. They're a very popular investment platform manufacturer. So this is the level 2 here. So this is the stock Tesla. The bid price, the ask price, $248.94, $249.06, constantly changing. Here's the QQQ market. It's constantly changing. See how it's constantly always changing. Here's the tape. When it's green, it's buying. When it's red, it's selling. Green is good. Selling is generally bad. The closer the spread is here between the two bid and the ask, the better it is. So here's the position summary of any trades I've made and the amount of money I made off of the trade. Here is the 5-minute chart that shows 5-minute increments of what happens to the stock. Green means bullish sentiment in the market, which means positive. It means it's going up. It's good. Red candles means it's going down, and it's bearish sentiment in the market. It's good for short sellers, but it's bad for long bias traders like me. Here's the volume down here, and like I said, it's all 5-minute increments in this particular chart. And then you can switch it to a 1-minute chart for QQQ. So this stock is Tesla. It's Tesla. 5-minute increments, going up, and then it went down. So this is the 1 minute. It's 1-minute increments. You can also do the daily. You can see what it's done on a daily basis for the past number of days. You can zoom in, zoom out to compare more days, see what it's done. Yeah, so you can compare these, and you can. So I mean, this is my career. This is what I've been working on for the past year, and there's a lot to it. You got to learn it. And it's just like a medical doctor doing surgery. They got to learn. They got to know what they're doing. A lot of people get into stocks. They don't know anything about it. They haven't had any education. I mean, lawyers go to school for 3 years. Doctors go to school for, who knows how long, like 16 years after high school to learn to do what they do. And then my teacher gets $40,000 a month doing stock trading, which is probably more than most doctors. So it makes sense that you need some kind of education. You need something. If you're going to be getting more than a doctor, I mean, if that possibility is there, I mean, my teacher's a millionaire, of course. So he has a lot of money to put in the trades and to get out. But yeah, you need to know what you're doing. And even to get $100 a day, it's 95% of traders can't even get $100 a day consistently. So I've been working on this for a year. I've gotten $2,400 in 34 minutes before. I'm in this sim thing I'm doing, and my goal is to get $10,000 a month. That's my goal. My teacher Ross gets $40,000 a month, and eventually I'll get there. But it's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of stuff to do, a lot of stuff to learn. You got to have the right tools. If you don't have the right tools and the right equipment, gap scanners, gaming laptop, external monitors, a simple mouse that's hardwired, adapters, you don't have everything right. It's like my teacher says, it's like if Lance Armstrong came in with a road bike, he's trying to ride in the beach in the sand, and he's going nowhere. And then a guy with big old tires stops by. He's riding, and he's riding like nothing. He's just riding by because he's in a beach bike. So you need the right tools in order to do well, and most people don't have the right tools. They call day trading gambling, and it is gambling. If you don't know what you're doing, it's absolutely gambling. But if you know how to set stop orders, limit orders, you know how to read the level 2 and what it's doing, you know how to read the tape, you know how to read the charts, then you have a chance, you have a fighting chance. But it's an uphill battle. The market ebbs and flows. So, but this is my career. This is what I'm working on. Complete financial freedom. All I need is an internet connection, and everything I know and equipment and everything, and I can get my goal. I don't need a boss. I don't need a boss for this career. I don't need somebody telling me what to do. This is freedom. This is financial freedom. And a lot of people call this gambling. They call it risk, and if you have no tolerance for risk, then you're not going to earn money quickly. It's going to be slow for you. There's other investment strategies, and a lot of those other ones are a lot slower than day trading, specifically what I'm doing. There's swing trading, there's lots of other type of stock trading, but I'm doing day trading, which is the most volatile. It's for 1 hour a day maximum, from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's just 1 hour because the market's most volatile in the first hour. So that's when I trade, for 1 hour a day. And after that, the market slows down a lot. So 1 hour a day, and I could get $10,000 a month. I can trade 1 hour a day and go off and do whatever the heck I want to do. So that's the goal, and I'm getting there. So yeah, so this is the trading platform, and these are my goals.